Hi everyone, in this video we're going to explore the solution to the 2021 AMC 10B problem 17. Raven, Oscar, Aditi, Tyrant, and Kim play a game. Be very careful here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So let's just say A-T-K. They're playing a card game. Each person gets 2 cards. So out of the 10 cards, 1 to 10, each of these people is getting 2 of the cards. So if each of the people get 2 of the cards, we know that Raven has a total sum of 11. So card 1, card 2, total sum. So total sum is 11 for Raven. The total sum of Oscar is 4. Total sum of Aditi is 7. Total sum of Tyrant is 16. And Kim is 17. So we discussed this way back in the AMCA classes, but when we're dealing with these kinds of logic or casework-based problems, a good strategy is to deal with the most restrictive condition first, because that gives you the easiest subset of things to work with. And what is the most restrictive condition here? Like with the least possible possibilities. Well, Raven has a bunch of possibilities, like 7, 4, 6, 5, 8, 3. Aditi has many possibilities too, 2, 5, 3, 4. Tyrone has also many possibilities, has 6, 10, 7, 9. Kim also has 8, 9, 7, 10 possibilities. Oscar is the only one which only has 1 possibility, and that is 1, 3. Because in order to get a sum of 4, you need to have 2 cards be 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So you know Oscar has to have the cards 1 and 3. So let's just make a table here with all the possibilities, all 10 possibilities. Let's cross that 1 and 3 since Oscar takes those 2 cards. So now we look to the next restrictive. Well, next restrictive, now we can either choose Aditi or Kim, doesn't matter, because those are both 2 possibilities. So we don't want to look at Raven, because Raven has like 5 possibilities. So we don't want to look at all of those conditions first. So Aditi has, what are the possibilities? Well, it can be 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. So we see that 3, 4 is ruled out since the 3 is already used. So now we've got 2 possibilities for Aditi. We don't know which one yet. Fine, we've got 2 possibilities. So Aditi was maybe not the right choice, but at least now we have 2 possibilities. Now, the next one we can also look at is maybe Tyler. So now we can see that let's look at Kim, because Kim is also the next restrictive condition. So Kim, what are the possibilities? Kim can have, let's move this here. Kim can have 7, 10, or 8, 9. So again, you only have 2 possibilities. You can't really rule anything out yet. So I'll look at the remaining 2 people. Tyrone, what are the possibilities for Tyrone? Tyrone can have 9, 7, or 10, 6, right? So notice that these 2 possibilities have a lot in common, and we cannot have any overlapping numbers. So amongst Tyrone and Kim, we have to choose 1 pair of numbers for each of these people. Let's just make this here just say consistent. Let's choose 1 pair of numbers from each of Tyrone and Kim, such that there's no numbers that are overlapping. So we see that the only 2 cases that are disjoint are if you take 8, 9, and 10, 6. Because if any of them take 7, for example, the other cases, for example, like 7, 10, and 10, 6, won't work. Because if you take 7, 10, 10, 6, 10 is common. If you take 7, 10, and 7, 9, 7 is common. If you take 7, 9, and 8, 9, 9 is common. So the only possibility that works and has no overlapping is 10, 6, 8, 9. So you can see that this is the only possibility that will work with certainty. This is the only possibility that will work. So we crossed out 10, 6, 8, and 9 from our list. Now what are the numbers left? We've got 2, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, now let's look back to Aditi. We already know that 6 is used, so we can cross this out. So we see Aditi has to have 2 and 5. And then you can see from here, Raven will have to have 2 numbers too. And the only 2 numbers that happen to be left, since 2 and 5 are also gone, are 4 and 7. And luckily, 4 and 7 sum to 11. So we now have a valid configuration that works. Looking at the option choices, Raven was given card 3. No, because Raven was given 4 and 7. Aditi was given card 3. No. Raven was given card 4. Yes, because 4. Aditi was given card 4. No, 2 and 5. Tyrone was given card 7. No. So we see C is the answer. And again, you can always, a good way to check. Do we have every number exactly once? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. We've got every number covered once. There's a sum of all numbers. You can check 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 5 is 7, 10 plus 6 is 16, 8 plus 9 is 17. So we are good, and this possibility works. That's the answer, and we know we're correct. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video.